Have you ever poured your heart and soul into a video, only to see crickets chirping in the comments section? We've all been there. The struggle to get views is real, but it doesn't have to be your reality forever. Well, today we're diving into the secret arsenal of tools that big YouTubers use to skyrocket their success and go viral. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your channel to the next level, these tools are absolute game changers. Let's jump right in. First up, we have Creator Hooks Pro. Creator Hooks Pro is a database that has 900 plus viral video breakdowns. You can come up with ideas for your channel based on proven YouTube videos and find the perfect angle to write your title so you can increase your CTR and grow your channel. Do you know what sets big YouTubers apart from you? No, they are not better than you. They're not smarter than you. The only difference is that they just model successful videos. For example, look at this Mr. Beast video. The idea was copied from this video. And then look at these two videos, and then these two videos. Can you see the pattern here? Almost every YouTuber does this. They model what is already working on YouTube and just make better thumbnails, titles, and overall quality. But there's only one problem with this. It takes a lot of time to find videos worth modeling. Creator Hooks Pro is the reason for how some of the best YouTube creators consistently come up with great video ideas. This tool has hundreds of successful videos for you to quickly scan through and find inspiration for your next viral video. And this is not about ripping a list of ideas for your channel. This is about seeing patterns in successful YouTube titles and using those strategies for your channel. When you do this, you can bring fresh ideas to your audience and be a leader in your niche, instead of always being a few steps behind your competitors. Remember, it only takes one video to change your life. And Creator Hooks Pro is the fastest way to get inspiration for that video. And if, for any reason you aren't satisfied, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee for you. Not to mention the weekly newsletter that contains lots of insights that you'll be getting even after you cancel your plan. So make sure to give it a try. With that note, let's talk about our next tool, 1 of 10. 1 of 10 will help you find trending and outlier videos on YouTube. It's very simple but effective. Basically, when you go on a channel page, you will be able to see the outlier ratio immediately and see which outperforming videos stand out at a quick glance. No need to do mental calculations every time you do research. Ideas are everything on YouTube, and 1 of 10 makes it super easy to find ideas proven to work. You can save these viral ideas and then test them with Creator Hooks Pro. Combining this tool with Creator Hooks Pro will change your entire channel. This platform also explains why the video idea went viral and how you can use this viral structure for your own videos. Alright, now that you've found a viral video idea and a viral title structure, it's time for you to work on the last key component that will surely skyrocket your video. I am talking about the thumbnail of your video. No matter how good your video is, if the thumbnail doesn't create curiosity, you're never going to get views. In fact, creators like Mr. Beast use $5,000 to $10,000 on their thumbnails.
We probably spend around $5,000 to $10,000 a thumbnail, just making sure we get the right image and it's good.
And there is a tool that will A/B test your thumbnails and help you gain more views. I am talking about Thumbnail Test. This is an A/B testing tool for thumbnails and titles. Since this feature is not available on YouTube itself, this tool can be a great savior for you. After signing up for this tool, you can run tests for an unlimited number of thumbnails and titles. This tool has helped thousands of YouTube channels to perform better and gain more views. You can run thumbnail tests on a daily or hourly basis and figure out the best performing thumbnail for your video. With that note, let's talk about the next tools. The fourth tool we have is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is used by over 10 million content creators. This will help you with keyword research, SEO, competitor research, and overall channel optimization. This tool will save hours of work you put in research and help you find the topics that your audience are searching for. Then you only need to create content around the topic and get views. We've used TubeBuddy for almost 4 years now, and we must give credit to TubeBuddy for our success. Last but not least, we have Vidiq. This is another alternative to TubeBuddy. In fact, it's slightly better than TubeBuddy. It provides all the features that are available on TubeBuddy. Along with that, it also uses AI to provide video ideas, competitor research, and guidance. Not to mention their AI thumbnail maker that uses AI to generate thumbnails for your videos. Vidiq also has a free plan and a free Chrome extension that you can download for absolutely free. Personally, we used both these tools, and they helped us to boost our channel rankings and overall performance. Apart from these 5 tools, we have 3 bonus tools that will help you in your YouTube journey. First one is called Rapid Tags. This tools will generate tags for your YouTube videos. You just have to enter your video title here, and you'll get tons of high-performing tags for your video. You can copy these tags from here, and then paste it on your YouTube video tags section. Next, we have Merlin AI. This tool can summarize videos, blog posts, and help you create your video scripts using AI. They have a free Chrome extension that you can start using for free. Last but not least, we have Veed.io. Veed is an AI video generation tool, which will create your entire video with the help of AI in no time. It contains a video editor, screen recorder, and will also help you generate subtitles and transcriptions for your audio files. If you are planning to start a faceless YouTube channel, you should definitely give it a try. If you want to try any of the mentioned tools, make sure to use the links that are given in the video description. Those are affiliate links, which will help you get the latest deals and discounts on these tools. Thank you for watching this video.